In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly on Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll go from finding the app to seeing suggestions appear right inside your slides so you can present with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Grammarly for Windows. This is the desktop app that works across programs including PowerPoint. In the results, look for the official link to Grammarly's site for Windows. It should clearly say Grammarly for Windows and take you to Grammarly's desktop download page. Avoid third-party download sites. Sticking to the official page keeps your device secure. On the page, click Download Grammarly. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Keep an eye on your downloads bar or your browser's downloads menu so you can open it as soon as it finishes. When the download completes, click the file to launch the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose Yes so the setup can continue. A quick tip: keep your internet connection on during installation, since the installer may fetch the latest components. Let the installer run until it confirms setup is complete. This usually takes just a minute. Once it's installed, you're ready to use it with PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint as you normally would. For the best demo, open a deck that has a few sentences of body text or speaker notes. As you work, Grammarly for Windows will overlay suggestions on your text. You'll notice underlines where it detects spelling, grammar, clarity, or punctuation issues. Click an underline to open the suggestion card, then choose to accept the fix, learn why it's recommended, or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your style. You can continue typing, and suggestions will refresh in real time. If you prefer fewer interruptions, make your edits slide by slide, reviewing the underlines after you finish each section. You may also see a small Grammarly icon you can click to open a panel with more details about suggestions in the current slide or selection. Use these prompts to tighten wording, correct typos, and improve readability before you present. If you don't immediately see suggestions, confirm the Grammarly app is running in the background by checking your system tray, then return to PowerPoint. That's it. You've downloaded Grammarly for Windows, installed it, opened PowerPoint, and you're now seeing helpful corrections and suggestions right inside your presentation.